Hi guys, today I'll be showing you how to decorate your high ponytail with a cute French braid on top. You can do it on both long and medium length hair. To give this hairstyle a more glamorous touch, I'm going to add some of my Glam Time clip-in extensions to my high ponytail. So I create a tiny ponytail at the back of my head, attach several wefts of clip-in extensions around it, and then hide them with my own hair. I basically bring all the loose hair to the back and tie it with a hair tie. For today's hairstyle, I have sectioned my own hair on top of my head and I'm going to use it to create my small braid. In fact, it's going to be a regular French braid. So I take 3 tiny strands of hair and start crossing them over the middle strand. Every time I cross my strands, I add some extra hair from the side. So I cross and I add extra hair. I cross and I add extra hair. I cross and I add extra hair. I cross and I add some extra hair. Once I incorporate all the hair that I reserved on top of my head into this small French braid, I'm going to braid normally, directing my braid toward the base of the ponytail. I'm going to tie its end with a small elastic just for the time being, and then I'm going to add it to the base of the ponytail and secure them together using another hair tie. Then I can release the small elastic from the ends of the small braid and move on to the following step. And that's when I'm going to use a tiny strand of hair from the ponytail to cover the elastic band and secure it with a bobby pin. And that's the finished look. If you're going to try it out, make sure to tag me on Instagram. I'd love to see your results. Thanks for watching and I see you in my next video. Bye!